Hi, welcome to our channel. This is our latest design HIFU machine. This applied NFU and RF technology. It has dual systems, FL system and SD system, and equipped with 4 handles. This is FL handle. This is handle screen. We can adjust the parameters here. We need to adjust the parameters according to client's skin situation and feelings. This is SD handle. We also need to adjust the parameters according to client's skin situation and feelings. These are the cartridges equipped with machine. This is SD cartridges, have 4 types of different depths. This is FL handles cartridges, have 6 kinds of different. Now we install the cartridge first. And then we put it on the hanging rack. As you can see, this is blue. We correspond to these blue jets. Install it. This is SD handles. First, we install the cartridges. Look at the slot. And then we put it in the hanging rack. As you can see, this is gray, correspond to this gray jet. Now we install another side handle. Same with before. Install the cartridges first. Put it on the hanging rack. And then SD handles. Put it on the hanging rack. This is gray, correspond this gray jets. Install it. That is finished. Now let's draw the face of this operation first. Line the corners of your mouth 1 finger outward, then connect it to this eye and drop it. Drop lines inwards about 2 fingers from the ear. Now let's draw the operation grid in this outline. For the face, we use 3 and 4.5 cartridges. Let's use 4.5 cartridges to demonstrate this first. Look at the point, the length. Underline the length of this cartridge. Draw vertically, then connect at. This is a vertical operation. The method of horizontal operation also draws lines according to cartridge's length. Then connect. When operating, after the energy is emitted, then move. Repeat this fixed point operation. To manipulate the forehead, we need to avoid the middle of the forehead between the two eyeballs make a cause. This place cannot operate. Draw a line from the eyeball. Do not operate inside the bit. You can work with a finger out of the scale. Draw a line. Connect it. This can be operated like the length of the cartridge, just about to position. Draw a horizontal operation line and connect it. When operating, the client's eyeballs should be lifted, bring it up for operation. Each position emits energy once and then moves upward. Repeat the action. Chin uses two cartridges. Draw this place on the chin. Connect to this face and this thread. Then draw according to the cartridge's length, about to position. Lift up. Avoid the slope. Operate the net here. This slope should be avoided. This place to make a cause. Do not operate too. Also drop lines along the length of the cartridge. Avoid this place behind here. Do not operate. Then underline vertically, draw a line and mark it. As the cartridge's operation, let's just go like this. The way to lift it up in circles, it should be close to the skin to operate and bring it up. We can use fixed point operation. It's usually done in circles and then lift it up. Mainly to improve this upper muscle, bring it up, repeat the steps.